Hi there friends, real quick I wanted to show you a process video of how I film my overhead bird's eye view paintings. I just finished this painting, which I'll insert right here, and so I thought this would be a good time to show you my setup. Okay, so this is my studio, and you know that whole artist, show us your studio, don't clean it up. Well, this is what it looks like when I'm working. Okay, over here you see my Galaxy Note 5, which I use as a camera. My husband built me a boom. This boom will go all the way around the room. That bar goes up and down. Those wires that you see are power wires. Everything is wireless that I'm going to tell you about. I am fully into the Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. It's just what I like, so that's what I use. Okay, so that's how I film my overhead videos. I have a Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. It's the latest and greatest Windows computer from Samsung. It's the mom, and it's maxed out RAM, and it is top of the line. My daughter Julia bought this for me. Thank you, Julia. I love you. And then I have an additional monitor over here. And Samsung has a program. This is all going on wirelessly. So impressive, right? Samsung has a program called Samsung Flow, and that's the first thing I do is come and turn that on. And that hooks my wirelessly. That hooks what's coming out of my phone over there, or my Galaxy Note 5 that I use for a video camera. That hooks that to this monitor and see what I'm taping. So I turn the camera on. Oh, it doesn't want to turn on. Yeah, and see, there it is. What a mess. So sorry. But anyway, so I'm going to go over there real quick and show you how I zoom in. But I sit over here where all my paints are, and I use this little easel to have my reference, or I can use a bigger easel or whatever. And then I can come over here and I can zoom in. I can move it around. I can set it up so it's zooming, so it's filming, and see what's going on over there across the room. And then this is my light. I always use the light just so I can have consistent video quality, and it's overcast day, so it's dark. But anyway, if it's really bright, I won't use the light, but most times I use the light. And like I said, all those wires, that's all for power, because all of this is going on wirelessly. It's broadcasting over here to my computer, which is just really like screen sharing the phone. So yeah, and then when I'm done taping, I have a program it's called Send Anywhere, and I have that on both that Samsung 5 that I film on and the Samsung Note 9 that I am filming on right now, as well as my Windows laptop, which is Samsung Galaxy Book, and so I can send the video wherever. So I usually send it to this cell phone that I'm taping on right now, this Samsung Galaxy Note 9, because then I can edit at my leisure when I'm sitting around being bored. Hey, thanks for checking out my process. Bye.